Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the correct strap and cutting a 6 to 8 inch tail. This prevents jamming and ensures clean seals. Insert the strap under the package and feed both ends into the tool slot, aligning the top and bottom layers. Once done, tensioning will be efficient because the strap sits flat against the load. Make sure to remove twists and keep strap edges parallel. Proper feed minimizes tool wear and produces a secure band on the first cycle. You now apply tension by operating the tension lever with steady, controlled strokes so the strap tightens evenly. This prevents strap creep and damage. Once the desired tension is reached, engage the sealing head and initiate the weld or crimp sequence to fuse the overlap. After the weld, hold pressure a moment, then release the tensioner slowly so the joint cools and sets. Inspect the seam for full penetration. A consistent seam equals reliable. Finish by trimming the excess strap close to the weld and smoothing the cut so it won't catch during handling. You should perform a quick pull test and visually inspect the seam to confirm fusion and correct alignment. If the weld fails or the strap slips, stop and troubleshoot. Clean the sealing surfaces, verify strap grade and tool settings, and realign the feed before retrying. This prevents repeated failures and maintains consistent, safe banding for every cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.